Hey, to record screen on the Redmi 13, all you have to do is just to open your quick settings bar and you have to locate this screen recorder icon. If it is not available right here for some reason, you can just swipe to the left side and you can also search right here, but if it is still not available, you can click just right here and now find if it is not somewhere here. So we can just click and hold it, then drag and put it wherever you want. Then click done. And now if you have it, just click on the screen recorder icon, and before you start recording you can just click on the settings icon and adjust some options, like for example the resolution, video quality, sound source, frame rate and orientation. And now if you want to start recording, you have to just click on this red button, and as you can see right now the recording is on the way. When you want to finish, just click here. And now that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel.